Of course you can use a solar cooker in the UK.
Box solar cookers take up a bit of space, but they're easy to move around. They are the most convenient type of portable solar cooker. You can use pots and pans you already own, and they're easy to load and set up. You can just point it at the sun, adjust the mirror, load the food, and walk away. Come back every hour or so to readjust the cooker so that it's still pointing at the sun. You don't need to worry about burning your food because box solar cookers cook low and slow. In your domestic gas or electric oven, you usually bake at, say, 160 or 180 degrees centigrade. But the air in a box solar cooker doesn't usually get that hot. But that doesn't matter because it just takes longer to cook. I'll link to a couple of articles on cooking temperature in the description below. This cooker was kindly donated to us by David Chalker, a friend from the USA, who manufactures them at home. This model is actually a hybrid. It has a heat pad in the bottom and you can plug it into an electric supply if the clouds come over the sun, which they're doing right now. However, in America they have a 120 volt supply, and here in the UK we have 240, so I can't plug this in until I get a transformer.
After 2 or 3 hours, test in the normal way until it's cooked. Here's the recipe. You may have to adjust it to suit the size of your cake tin.
Thanks for watching. See you next time.